quick unboxing from SOE gear. Let's check out what's inside. Been waiting a while for this. Got some stupid propaganda here. No one wants to see that. Limited edition SOE Multicam black pouch. Okay, if you see this and you already know it's a combat cock, then it's probably not for you, okay? Multicam black, large tool bags, made in the motherfucking USA. Very nice webbing handles. Got some nice Velcro here for your name tape, favorite patches, whatever. Put on some my patches here. Very nice. Since this is made in the motherfucking USA, gotta have this. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, post some comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Bye. Have a good one.